Good morning, class 8. Myself Ranjit Kumar. I welcome you all in the e-learning program of Modern English School, Kuntinagar, Nevada. This is the first video lecture of the chapter Reproduction in Animal. Today we are going to start the new chapter, that is Reproduction in Animal. So, what do you mean by reproduction? Re means फिर से, production means to produce. Reproduction, if I want to define the word, it is a process in which existing parent give rise to new individual of their own kind is called reproduction. मीन्स रिप्रोडक्शन एक प्रोसेस है जिसमें एग्जिस्टिंग पेरेंट, जो पेरेंट अभी है, उनके द्वारा उन्हीं के जैसा एक न्यू इंडिविजुअल प्रोड्यूस किया जाना इज कॉल्ड रिप्रोडक्शन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ए डॉग गिव राइज टू अ पपी, a cat give rise to a kitten, and a human being give rise to a baby. So these are the process, means this is called reproduction. Like digestive system, respiratory system, excretory system, circulatory system, it is called reproductive system. Excretory system, digestive system, respiratory system, these are essential for survival of individual. If there is no digestive system, organism cannot survive because there will be no food available. If there is no respiratory system, organism cannot survive because it cannot take out energy from the food. If excretory system is not there, animal cannot survive because the waste accumulate in the body and animal will ultimately die. So respiratory system, excretory system, digestive system, these all are essential for the survival of individual. But if an organism do not reproduce, it doesn't mean that the person is not living. Yes, it is living, but reproduction is not for the survival of individual. Reproduction reproduction is essential for the survival of the species on the earth. Means, if for example, if today all human being, one species, if they stop reproducing, so for example, the baby that is born today or that will born on from 9 months from here, so around after 100 years there will be not a single human being on this earth. Means, because the baby who born today will survive for 100 years maximum, not more than that. So that's what I am saying. Reproduction is essential for survival of the species on this earth. Okay. Mode of reproduction, on the basis how many parents involved, single parent or two parents. Reproduction is of two types: asexual reproduction, sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction, reproduction in which single existing parent give rise to individual similar to themselves is called asexual reproduction. It is seen in amoeba, hydra, yeast. Sexual reproduction, in sexual reproduction, two individual parents, means two parents give rise to new individual, is called sexual reproduction. In sexual reproduction, gametes are formed, means a special cell that we call sperm cell or ova. Sperm is produced by the male and ova is produced by the female. So two specialized cell is produced that are called gametes. These gametes fuse together, साथ में मिलते हैं. Then they got, this process is called fertilization. And gamete after fertilization form zygote. So zygote formation take place. So gamete formation, fertilization of gamete and zygote formation is seen in the sexual reproduction. But in asexual reproduction, single parent is there, so there is no gamete formation. If there is no gamete formation, there is no fertilization. If there is no fertilization, then there is no zygote formation take place. So, see, reproduction, the production of new individual from their parents is known as reproduction. Is called reproduction. Essential point. Reproduction is essential for the survival of a species on this earth. Okay, it is important point. It is essential for the survival of the species. Mode of reproduction. There are two modes of reproduction. First is sexual reproduction. The production of new individual from the existing two parents by the fusion. Fusion means milna, sperm meet with ova. Fusion of their gametes is called sexual reproduction. In sexual reproduction, fusion of a male gamete called sperm with female gamete called ova leads to the formation of zygote. So here gamete formation is there, sperm and ova, fusion of the gamete is there, and formation of zygote is there. Okay. Example: cow, dog, horse, human being, etc. So sexual reproduction, mode of reproduction is in cow, dog, horse, human being, any animal you can say. Next is asexual reproduction. The production of new individual from a single parent without the involvement of gametes is called asexual reproduction. Is called asexual reproduction. See here, no gamete formation, no fertilization, and no zygote formation. So these three things does not happen in the sexual reproduction. It means these three things does not happen in asexual reproduction. It is seen in amoeba, hydra, yeast. Okay. So these are the two asexual and sexual mode of reproduction. I want you all to write difference between asexual and sexual reproduction. I will just say once and you have to write by your own. Asexual reproduction, single parents involved. Sexual reproduction, two parents involved. Asexual sexual reproduction, no gamete formation, and sexual reproduction gamete formation take place. No fertilization take place. Here fertilization take place. No fusion means no zygote formation. Here zygote formation take place. Or you can write all 3 points in single only. So you can write single parents involved, two parents involved. In second point, no gamete formation, no fusion, and no fertilization means no gamete formation, no fusion, and no zygote formation take place. Gamete formation, fusion, and fertilization take place. Third point, asexual reproduction is fast mode of reproduction. Fast mode, a bacteria is there, or bacteria is there, name is E. coli. It doubles in 20 minutes. ये 20 मिनट में दुगना हो जाता है. If there is one bacteria, after 20 minutes it will be 2, after 20 minutes it will be 4. So it is fast mode of reproduction. A sexual reproduction, it is slow mode of reproduction. In animals, or you can see 9 months required for a baby to produce. Okay. After the fertilization. Third, it is primitive mode of reproduction. पहली बार जब लाइफ इस धरती पे ओरिजिनेट हुआ था, बैक्टीरिया दे यूज टू गो थ्रू असेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन, बट स्लोली it is advanced. When the organism become multicellular, they start doing sexual reproduction. Okay. Fourth point is there. It is primitive mode of asexual, primitive mode of reproduction. Sexual, it is advanced mode of reproduction. Fifth point, in asexual reproduction, no variation, कोई बदलाव नहीं, मतलब जैसा पेरेंट्स था वैसे ही नीचे भी आएंगे बच्चे भी. No parents involved, no variation means no variation take place. In sexual reproduction, variation take place means कुछ बदलाव हो सकता है, means होता ही है. Okay, or you can write same point in like this. In asexual reproduction, offspring is identical to the parents, but in sexual reproduction you will write offspring is सिमिलर टू द पेरेंट्स. हम अपने फादर के जैसा दिखते हैं, अपने पेरेंट्स के जैसा दिखते हैं. एक नाक है, कान है, मुंह है, दांत है, सब कुछ है जो एक ह्यूमन बीइंग की तरह होना चाहिए, बट आइडेंटिकल नहीं है. हम एक अपने फादर के ट्रू कॉपी मतलब फोटो कॉपी नहीं है. यू आर गेटिंग द पॉइंट व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. आई एम सेइंग द ऑफस्प्रिंग इज आइडेंटिकल इन asexual, but in sexual reproduction, offspring is similar to the parents. So there are some points, many more are there. I want you all to write differences between asexual and sexual reproduction. Okay, Otherwise, if anyone have problem, you can ask. Roughly, I have told you what is the difference. Okay, thank you.